Hi there, Laura here. Today I'm going to be doing this pink glitter eye look. I'm going to be using my Profusion face palette in Natural, and I'm going to be using my Essence Metal Shock in Stars and Stories, and I'm going to be using some NYX Shimmer Down Pigment in Platinum. I always have trouble with that word for some reason. So I'm going to be playing with glitter, and I'm getting old and I have wrinkles, but I still wear glitter. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. So if you like to play with glitter too, then you might like to watch. So let's get going. So for my glitter eye look today, I'm using my Face Profusion palette to start off with, and I'm just going to go in with the transition colour. I'm just going in with a light brown. So whatever transition is good for your eyes, that's what you put in for your skin. I always say eyes then, I mean skin. Whatever colour is good for your skin tone. Use pink ash out of my Face Profusion palette, if you can see that. As you can see, this is my palette for my project pan, and I'm doing quite well with that. I'm just going to put that all over the lid. So we went to the festival that was here by our house in the weekend, and took my daughter, who was home from university for the week there. She was there one day before we had to take her to the airport while the festival was on, so I took her around there. We got some really nice body butter, and I got a really nice orange shirt. As you can see, I like orange. I'm in an orange jersey today. I'm doing the pink look, but I've got an orange jersey. I don't know how well they'll go, but I've put sort of a peachy coloured lip on, so hopefully it'll tie in together, because I don't really want to change my jersey. So I've already got eye primer on, and I've just used my e.l.f. eye primer. Is it around the right way? Yeah, in Sheer. And I have noticed that the days that I don't use my eye primer, my eye makeup doesn't last nearly as long. Never sort of really thought that I'd had much problem getting my eye makeup to last, but I have noticed that if I don't use my eye primer, it does make a difference. And I'm just going to use this Real Techniques Point XXS brush here. I'll show you the name on it, if you can read that. And I'm going to use the Chrome colour, which is just a dark brown. So this is a very basic palette, and you can actually still get this palette. I was looking on Amazon to see if it was still available at all, and you can actually still get this palette, so I will put a link in down below. Now my Amazon links are affiliate links, but I don't get a lot out of it, but it's only a few cents, and I've only been an Amazon affiliate for the last few months, so I haven't actually got any money out of them at all yet, because I haven't earned enough, because they'll only send you money when you get $100. So I haven't earned anything yet, but if you want to use that link, then you're more than welcome to, and thank you very much. And if you don't want to use that link, that's fine too. So I'm just deepening up the outer corner there. Then I'm going to go back into the pink ash colour because I want to make sure there's plenty of pink on there. Yeah, so I took my eldest daughter to the festival and spent a little bit of money. I got a really nice lip scrub as well there. I've never used a lip scrub before. So the body butter and the lip scrub were both organic, and you won't get them on the internet or anything because they're sort of crafty kind of products. But so far the body butter just smells amazing. I love it. I've been wearing it every night since I bought it. So I'm going to take my little fluffy brush and I'm going to go into the vanilla colour, which is the cream shade. And it's just a flat cream. All the colours for eyeshadow in this palette are cream. I mean, a flat. And I'm going to go back into fawn as well and just make sure that that transition is nice and soft. And before I put the glitter on, I'm going to use some eyeliner, and I'm just using my LA Girl. It's a brown eyeliner. I think, yeah, it's just called brown. I thought it's getting smaller. I've used quite a lot of it. This isn't in my pan that palette because I've only got one brown eyeliner, so I haven't got it in a project pan or anything. Doesn't seem worth putting it in there since I only have one. So I had some paintings in at the festival, so when you put the paintings in, you never know whether they're actually going to go and get hung or not until you actually go to the show. And I entered 3 and I got all 3 in, so that was quite nice to see those all hanging up in the show. So I'm not going to do a wing or anything. I'm just doing some very subtle eyeliner just to sort of make my lashes look a bit thicker. Yes, my younger daughter went over to the festival in the weekend, and I think she spent all of Sunday over there, coming back to get drinks of water and things and then going back. She had a friend with her, so she had a really good time. I think she ran out of money in the end, but that didn't stop them from staying over there and having some fun, so that was quite nice. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my glitter, and I'm going to use the Essence Metal Shock glitter, and this one is in, where's the name of it? Stars and Stories. So this is what it looks like. So it's in Stars and Stories, so it's just a pink. So they call it a metal shock, but kind of looks metallic-y, but to me it looks kind of glittery as well. If you can see that. Maybe you can see it a bit here better, the colour. It's hard to tell because I can't actually see what you're seeing very well. So I'm just going to use the applicator on it, and I'm just going to pop that on. So I'm going over the pink eyeshadow that I put on before. So to me, it doesn't matter how old you are. You're never too old to wear some glitter. I'm just using my brush that I used the pink on, and just smoothing out the edge of that, but I'm not going over the glitter, I'm just going around the edge. And I'm going to wait for that to dry before I do something else. So I'll do my bottom lash line while I'm waiting for that to dry. And I'll have to remember not to use that brush for something else because it's got glitter all over it now. So I want to go in with, I think I'll use my angled brush, and I'll go in first with the light brown. I took my husband over to the festival as well on Sunday afternoon, and we had a little wander around. And usually my husband is on a stall there helping sell the wine, but he wasn't this year, so this is the first year he's actually got to see what's on at the festival instead of being stuck behind a stall. So he got to talk to lots of people, and it was quite nice catching up with a few people that we haven't seen for a year, because the festival only comes around once a year. And I think I might go back into my Profusion face palette, and I'll go into the highlighter in there. I don't know whether you can see that. There's and just put some of the highlighter on my XXS brush, and just do that little inner bit there, just to add a bit of light to that bit. And as I mentioned in another video somewhere, is I have lots of wrinkles on my eyelids, which I have always had lots of wrinkles because it's just my skin. Even like my hands as a teenager were always really wrinkly, so there was never an ideal time to wear glitter on my eyelids. So I'm nearly 50 now, and I'm going to wear glitter if I want to. It doesn't matter that much anymore. If my eyelids are wrinkly, it doesn't mean I can't wear glitter. I'm still going to wear glitter if I want to wear glitter. So I encourage you all to do the same. If you want to wear glitter and you think you're too old, just wear it anyway, because basically nobody much notices anyway. So I'm debating whether I do the other glitter before I do my eyelashes or not. I think I might. So I'm going to use, this is the Essence Glitter Primer. So I'm going to use that just on the centre of my eyelids. The weird thing about this primer is when you squeeze it out, it looks cream, and then when you spread it out, I wonder if you can see that, it goes kind of, it's got a pinky cast to it, which is weird. So I don't know if that would show up at all. No, it's disappearing on my hand. It's disappearing. So when you first put it on, it has kind of pinky cast to it, but it does disappear as it dries, so you don't get that pinky cast later. Of course, for a pink eye, it doesn't actually matter, but if you weren't doing a pink eye, you might not be too impressed with having the pink glitter on it. And I'm going to use a brush. So I'm going to use this flat brush here to pack a little bit of silver glitter on, and this is a NYX Shimmer Down Pigment in platinum. You know how sometimes the words just won't come out of your mouth? It's really annoying. So I'm gonna shake that upside down to get some out, and it just looks like that in the bottle. Okay, we'll try that again. My camera just fell off, fell on the floor. So we're going to do the glitter, and where do I have a brush? Here it is. So I'm just going to pack some on my flat brush. So I'm just going to put that on there, and I'm just going to pat it on in the middle of my lid there where I put the glue. And I hope that I don't end up with glitter all over my face. So the Essence Metal Shock, you put that on and it stays put. You don't get any glitter all over you. Yesterday I was using a different glitter, and I used this glitter glue, and by the end of the day I had little bits of glitter all down here, so we'll see what happens with this one. But so far so good. I haven't got it all over my face, so that's good. And do some mascara. Might even remember to curl my lashes today, which I usually forget. going to get my L'Oreal False Lash X Fiber. That's the one with the two sides that you've seen me use before, because this is in my project pan. So I really like this mascara, but I've got some others that I want to try, but I don't want to waste this one. My eyes are watery because I accidentally got my eyelid when I was curling my eyelashes. I have extra shiny eye because it's all watery. We go in with side 2. So I find as I get older, I am getting more and more into playing with my eyeshadow and coming up with different looks and using more colour, and some of it I think is because I've got a bit more time because I don't have little kids at home to look after, but also because as I get older, it's like I don't care what anyone thinks anymore. If I want to wear glitter or if I want to wear purple eyeshadow or orange eyeshadow, I'm just going to do it anyway. As I said, I'm the unusual one in my friends, because most of my friends don't wear makeup at all, so it wouldn't matter how little I wore, I would still be the unusual one because I'd be wearing something. So if I'm going to wear it, I'm just going to wear whatever I want. So I'm here to tell you, no matter how old you are, just go for whatever look you want to, because most people don't even look that hard at you, so it's only you that you have to please, really. So if you're happy with it, then you just go for it. So I'm going to do my bottom lashes. I might actually do my bottom lashes in the same mascara for a change. So there's my glittery eyes, if you can see those. And it doesn't matter with my eyelids whether I put glitter on or not, they're always going to be wrinkly, so if I want to wear glitter, I'm not going to worry about it emphasising the wrinkles, because I just like them. And I wear glasses most of the time, so when I put my glasses on, it doesn't really matter what I wear on my eyes, because you're not really going to notice it that much, so I can wear whatever I like, which I quite like about it. So if I think, oh, I've gone a bit overboard with the glitter or something, or the eyeshadow or the colour, I put my glasses on and nobody notices anyway. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and why don't you get some glitter out and give it a go. I'll see you next time. Bye.